Welcome back to My Big Fat Mess. I'm Anthony Ferraro, and today we're doing a Christmas-inspired little sweet. So we're doing pastry again. The last video we did, I was inspired by Christmas, and you know what, 'tis the season. What we do at our place, and I mean, I've noticed this is happening a lot more at a lot of other places. Everybody kind of brings a plate over when they get together with their friends and family, and you kind of create these little stations. It's like a little all-you-can-eat buffet where you go and serve yourself, and it's absolutely brilliant. So you've got, you know, where all your protein and your salads and all your savory stuff is, and then there's like a dessert one, and there's a trifle and some cake and some pavlova. So look, that happens in our family as well. And this is another cheeky little thing that we do. So I showed you last week's episode. It was the savory version with the bocconcini. Let's do a Nutella-inspired Christmas tree pastry. So almost like a Snickers. Gotta be one of the best chocolate bars ever. Really simple. What are we gonna need? A little bit of egg wash, some Nutella, some peanut butter. I prefer the crunchy stuff, so if you can get your hands on some good quality crunchy peanut butter, even better. It just adds that texture. We have some puff pastry, and that's about it. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make my, my filling. So I wanna put a good hefty wallop of that in. This is my old mate, Nutella. So we've got hazelnuts and peanuts all in the same dessert. Really delicious. You obviously need a lot more Nutella than you do peanut butter. And that is that there. Tell me you're Italian without telling me you're Italian. You got a jar of this and you eat it with one of these straight out of the bowl. So now we're going to mix this concoction together. This is what creates our Snickers filling. Now I've probably gone a little bit overzealous here with this, but you know what? You know me. That's what I always do. The good thing is though, it'll never go to waste. Why? Because tomorrow morning, when you've got a bit of leftover bread or some croissant or some brioche, you take that out, you put it on. It's the best. That one goes straight down. Do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn on our oven. Let's get the oven on. 220 degrees, fan-forced oven. That's what we want. Once it's nice and hot, we will drop it down to 200 and we'll pop the thing inside. I should have started with that step, but you know what? I plumb forgot. It's Nutella. I can't help it. It's got this power over me. So, a cheeky little palette knife. These come in handy. They're brilliant. Because what you do is you just scoop it out and you plonk it down. The beauty about this is it's going to ooze and seep out and do its thing gorgeously. The next sheet now just literally goes straight over the top. Done, done, diddy done, done. And then you just want to kind of bash down the sides just a little. This kind of just pinches them, seals them up. And now is when you cut out your Christmas tree. So I'm not very good at the cutting or the drawing or anything, but let's just see how we're going to kind of go here. So we'll kind of, okay, so that's roughly what we're doing here. Now this was that wastage I was telling you about, but it's not, because we're going to bake that anyway. Because we're going to eat it anyway. Now what do we do here? We're literally going to cut these little ribbons in there, okay? What we're going to do with these now is we're just going to spiral them up, okay? And repeat. Brilliant. And there we have it. That is the beginning of the Nutella Christmas tree, right? Now, just brush it with your egg wash. This will give it that golden, that yummy, that glisten. And there we have it. Now that is going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. Drop it down to 200 and away we go. It'll be ready in 20. We're ready. Come and have a look quickly. Yum, 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 yum. So this is what you actually end up with. And if you quickly have a cheeky little look over here in the oven, those little offcuts are cooking as well. They're not at the right color yet. They'll need just a smidgy more. But this is our amazingly beautiful Snickers Christmas tree. How do you make that any better or any more perfect? Every single Christmas tree needs a bit of snow, right? And there we have it. Now that has a place on every dessert station, particularly at Christmas. So like I said before, you can make any shape that you like with this stuff here. You can choose, but at Christmas time, this is something that we like doing. It's really, really nice. I'm super proud of that. I think I have to tear a piece off and eat it because it's amazing, but look at that. It's so hot. Are you ready? Oh, this is what Christmas is all about. I'm gonna enjoy this. You guys have a wonderful day. If you're making this at Christmas, hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Enjoy. Buon appetito.